To set up KeyBank Online, start by going to the KeyBank website and clicking on the Enroll in Online Banking link. You will need your Social Security number, KeyBank account number, and your KeyBank debit or credit card number to complete the enrollment process. First, click on the Enroll Now button and select the type of account you want to enroll, such as personal or business. Then, enter your Social Security number and account number, and click Continue. Next, create a username and password for your online banking account, making sure to follow the guidelines for password strength and security. After creating your username and password, you will be asked to set up security questions and answers, which will be used to verify your identity in case you forget your password. Choose questions that are easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Once you have completed the enrollment process, you will be able to log in to your online banking account and start managing your finances. You can view your account balances, pay bills, transfer money, and set up account alerts. You can also use the KeyBank mobile app to access your account on the go. To ensure the security of your online banking account, make sure to use a strong password. Keep your computer and mobile device up to date with the latest security software, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. It is also a good idea to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to KeyBank immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up KeyBank Online and start enjoying the convenience and flexibility of online banking. If you have any questions or need help with the enrollment process, you can contact KeyBank customer service for assistance.